Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the app icon on the RHYTHM HIVE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the change app icon option. Here you can find the app icon themes, and if you select one and if you want to change the app icon, you can purchase that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.